Long bar, Schindler MT. This is another elevator here at the Harvey's parking strip. Very, very early Schindler MT. This actually might have been a mod. There's supposed to be another one right there, but they never installed that one. Wow, that is a gunky button. What the fuck? Well, that's one way to do it. They literally put a phone on the box door. Clipping Pickup Brothers. Numbering's all off. Let's get a view. There's literally no one up here. There's the main elevators over there. Nice view. And my elevator left me. There's Harvey's right there. GAL, yeah, that's a very, very early Schindler. All right.